Hey, how's it going? This is Hanoa with Ibex Roof. I'm out here in Vancouver, Washington, doing a repair on a porch covering. Very low slope roof. That's what we call a flat roof. The issue with this one is it started leaking and they're having mold on the underside of the plywood due to the wrong style of roofing for a low slope roof. They had shingles on this, which is just a bad setup for a low slope roof. So we're going ahead and stripping the shingles, and we're going to lay some low slope SA roofing on this. But another issue with this is they ran their plywood the wrong direction. The issue with that is the grain is running vertically rather than horizontally. When you have the grain running vertically up in between these rafters and this rafter bay, there's no structural strength in the plywood. So we're going to go ahead and strip this, run new plywood horizontally, and then stagger the seams. Not only is that going to be stronger decking, but it's going to make for a stronger structure. With plywood spanning 8 feet across, multiple rafter bays, it's just going to tie them all in together and really give us some strength. Because right now, I mean, it's super squishy, especially since it was a shingle roofing application on here. Water was getting in, it's just absorbing moisture. But yeah, I'm gonna get this done and get it done right.